Hi, I'm Daniel Victor Biscocha of BSIT 222 from Batangas State University, Malvar Campus. I am here to show you how to connect VB.NET 2010 to Access 2010. First, you should have a database file. Here, I have already created a database and I name it sample database.accdb. Now, go to Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. Create a project, but here I already created the project and named it VB to Access Connection. Okay. First is the design. I use data grid view where the data from the database will be displayed, and I also use two buttons for display and exit. Let's proceed to the codes. Import system.data.oledb. Here, we import the class oledb to use some codes for our connection. In the connection, we declare connection as oledb connection and string connection as string is equals to provider equals microsoft.ace.oledb.12.0 data source is equals to sample database.accdb. In using provider, we must know what is the version of our database or access that we are using, and I'm using access 2010 and its provider is microsoft.ace.oledb.12.0, same as the Microsoft 2007. In data source, here's sample database.accdb. It is the database where the data will come from. In putting data source, I use some easy way how to make it short, and I will show you how. You just have to copy your database and go to my documents, the folder of Visual Studio 2010, go to project, find the name of your project, and that is VB to Access Connection, and in bin debug folder and paste it. Okay. In using this method, you will not type the full path of the database you will use. You will just type the database name and its file name extension. Okay. For the connection, we combine the variable connection and the string connection. Okay. We declare data table as new data table, dataset as new dataset. And this code, dataset.tables.add data table, in this code we add our data table in our dataset. Now after we establish the connection and the data table, the next step is the connection open, and which is used to open our connection. We also declare data adapter as oledb adapter because we will use the object oledb adapter to send the query we will use to our database. And data adapter is equals to new OLEDB adapter. Select asterisk from table s name or student name, comma, connection. In this code, the query select asterisk from table s name will be sent to the database by using OLEDB adapter. It says that select all from table s name because asterisk represents or indicates all, and it data adapter dot fill data table. After selecting all the data, we'll put it in our data table, and the code for that is this. And it means that the selected data from table student name will be filled or put in our data table. Now that the data table contains the data, we'll put it in our data grid view in order to display the data, and the code is this: data grid view 1 dot data source is equals to data table dot default view. And that's it. Close the connection dot close, and me dot close for the exit button. Okay, run your program. Okay, when I click the display button, the data will be displayed. The data in our data table, our database, will be displayed, and this is the proof. It should be the same as in the Microsoft Access database, and here it's the same. Okay, thank you for watching and for your time.